Hello everyone, this is the TI-84 guy. I'm back and I wanted to do a quick video on another program that I've created for the ACT and the SAT. It's called TRIAREA, and basically what it does is it calculates the area of a triangle. Okay, so what you should see on your screen is this is a problem that was taken from the official ACT Prep Guide 2018-2019 version. And first thing you should notice, this is a 59 question, which means that it's considered a relatively difficult question. It's this penultimate question. There's 60 questions on the entire math section, and they get increasingly more difficult, so a 59 is considered difficult. Now, having said that, I think the reason that this one is considered difficult is they're going to give you this formula right here, 1/2 AB sine of C, and they expect you to use it to calculate the area of a triangle. Now, if you've never used this program, that's what makes it difficult. Most of us are used to 1/2 of the altitude times the base gives us the area. So what I want to do is I wanted to go through this really quickly, and I wanted to demo the program and show you the usefulness of it, and then go from there. All right, so let me read this. It says the lengths of the triangle shown below are rounded to the nearest 0.1 centimeter. What is the area to the nearest 1 centimeter squared of this triangle? And so they give you the sides, 4 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and they tell you that the angle between 4 and 8 is 30 degrees. Now, they give you this information, and they expect you to be able to take this information and solve it. So now, here's what we're going to do. What we need to focus on is this side, and the angle between them. So now that I've got that information, I'm going to go to my calculator, and I'm going to go program, and then I'm going to show you the program that I have. It's called TRIAREA. Press enter. Press enter again, and here are the 3 options. It says, do you know the 3 sides of the triangle? Do you have the base and the height, or do you know 2 sides and the angle? In this particular problem, we know option 3, so we would choose option 3. Side 1 would be 4, side 2 would be 8, and the angle between them is 30. So once you do that, press enter. The answer is 8. So let's go back to the exam, and we would choose 8. Now, what I want to do is I want to show you kind of the typical way that you see this. So let me see if I can do this. So if I were to drop a perpendicular here, all right? I don't like that one. Let's try it again. Here. And then I draw my little perpendicular symbol. Now, what I've just done is I've created a 30, 60, 90 right triangle. So if this is the hypotenuse of 4, that means that the altitude or the height is going to be 2 centimeters, right? And so then it would be 2 times 8 divided by 2, which would be 8. That's what we're normally used to. So this is just another version of the altitude times height, okay? Now, let's do it a third way. So they've given us 4 centimeters, 8 centimeters, and 5 centimeters. So using Heron's law, we should be able to calculate and get 8 as well. So let's go back to the calculator and try that and see if it works. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to press enter, and I'm going to choose option 1. So the one side is 4. The second side is 8 centimeters. The third side is 5 centimeters, and when I press enter, I get 8.18. All right, so it's not exactly 8, but it's close enough, and it'll still give you the answer. Now, you might be saying, why didn't it give me exactly 8? Well, the reason that it didn't give you exactly 8 is this. This side is not 5 centimeters. If you want the exact measurement or a more exact measurement, it's actually 4.9572547 centimeters. That's the actual length, right? But the ACT makers didn't want to put that length on there, so they rounded it to the nearest 1.1 centimeter, and that's how they came up with 5. But if you go back, if I go back to my calculator and enter the actual exam or actual length, let's do that one more time. We're going to go 4, 8, or we're going to choose option 1 first, and then we're going to put 4, and then we're going to put 8 in, and then we're going to put in 4.9572547, and then what we get 8. We get 8.000000001. So this is the actual length, but the ACT makers didn't want to give you that that decimal that goes on forever because it is an irrational number in this case. But yeah, that's kind of what's going on. And but what I hope you see is that regardless of what you're given here, you could solve this using the TRIAREA program. Okay, so let me go back. This program is designed for the ACT, SAT. It's also designed for the TI-84CE or TI-84 Plus or TI-83. It'll work on any of those. If you'd like a copy of the program, send me your email address, subscribe to my channel, and if you could like the video, I'd appreciate it. I'm going to be putting out a few more programs that are useful for the SAT and ACT over the next week or so. So also, if you would put on the subscription button bell so that you'll know when I've loaded some more programs. So if you want a copy of this, make sure you send me your email address. All right, guys, I'll talk to you in a little bit. Stay safe.